Hey, it's Katie with WTI. I love working out in the garden, but I always get so itchy afterwards. It's like an uncontrollable itch. So I decided to try out this Manuka Relief by Clearbody Organics. And let me tell you, I am truly impressed with this. I felt like the moment it touched my skin, I stopped itching right away. This is a really nice and thick cream. It's not oily or greasy. It doesn't get too slippery on your skin, and a little bit goes a long way. So you might notice that, yes, this is a tiny container. You don't really need that much of it. Besides all of the nice, simple ingredients that are included, I really appreciate that it's also fragrance-free. So even though it is fragrance-free, it does have a nice, subtle scent to it. But it is so light, I had to hold the jar to my nose and take a big whiff to really notice it. This cream dries fairly quickly on your skin. It does not leave it greasy, but until it's dry, it does feel just a little bit tacky, but it does dry really fast. It is definitely something that I'm going to order over and over and over again. And that's my point of view.